CGI Programming with Python. Let's learn about CGI, the CGI module in Python, and discuss some important functions in this module. CGI stands for Common Gateway Interface. Simply put, CGI is a way for a web server to pass a user's request to an application program and forward the received data to the user. An HTTP server invokes a CGI script to process user input submitted through an HTML form or through an isIndex element. The CGI module handles situations and debugs scripts. It also supports uploading files from a form. In a CGI script, this is what a header looks like, and this second section displays formatted text, inline images, and more. Let's learn to work with the CGI module. Also import CGI TB. This module gives us more comprehensive traceback formatting for Python scripts. Enable is a function that installs an exception handler for formatting tracebacks as HTML, so we get detailed reports for errors. We can also log the reports to a file. This helps track down bugs. The field storage class works with the submitted form data. It reads form contents from the standard input or from the environment. We can index field storage objects like dictionaries in Python. We can use the keys method, the len function, and even test membership with in. It also has the getList method. This returns a list of values, and the getFirst method returns the first value associated with one field name in a form. We can also use a field storage object in a with statement, and we also have the mini field storage class. This module also has some useful functions. Parse parses a query in the environment or one from a file. Parse QS and parse QSL are deprecated, and we should use these functions from the parse class from the URL lib module. Parse multipart parses the input of type multipart or form data, which is for file uploads. This returns as a dictionary where the keys are the field names and the values are the list of values for that field. Parse header parses a MIME header into a main value and a dictionary of parameters. Think of the MIME header as something like content type. Test robustly tests the CGI script. Now this one formats the shell environment in HTML. This formats the form in HTML. This formats the current directory in HTML. And this prints out a list of useful environment variables in HTML. Finally, escape converts the and angular bracket characters to HTML safe sequences. This was all on Common Gateway Interface with Python. Let's implement this now.